Hi children, I know you all like colors. So our first activity for today is going to be super fun for you all because our first activity for today is Play-Doh. The learning objectives for this activity are stimulate fine motor skills, enhance creativity, improves pre-writing skills, develop hand-eye coordination, and improves pencil grip. The resources which are required for this activity is Play-Doh. We need to have only one resource for this activity, which is Play-Doh. In case you have ready-made Play-Doh, it's good. But in case you don't have, you can make at home also. And how you can make? You can take maida or common flour and you can add food color in it. In case you don't have food color, you can use natural food color like turmeric also. And you can add few drop of oil in it. Once you are done with arranging resources, what you have to do is you have to provide the child with Play-Doh and then you have to instruct the child or you have to ask the child to draw or make any object that they want to make. They want to make flower, they want to make mountain, they want to make sun. Let them make whatever they want to make. Let them use their own imagination for this. You can encourage them to make different patterns which we have learned till now, like standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line, and also different shapes like circle, triangle, and square. And children, do you remember how we can make standing line? What we have to do is we have to move our hand from up to down, from up to down, up to down. And for sleeping line, what we have to do is we have to move our hand from left to right, from left to right. And for slanting line, what we have to do is we have to move our hands from left top to right bottom, from left top to right bottom. Similarly, you can make different shapes also. You can make circle, you can make triangle, you can make square, whatever you want to make. You can also trace different objects on the Play-Doh. I'm sure that the child is going to enjoy this activity a lot. So all the best. Have fun. Bye. Thank you.